Tiêu ra YouTube là sao biết không? Expansion is negative. Not necessarily. You must see delta U is Q plus W. So got Q or not? W is negative, right? Got Q or not?
Yeah.
You say you can. Times 10 power minus 20.
Over. Yeah. This one I don't know. The final one is usual. Yeah. I know. You the first part. Yes, sir.
Okay, some of the answers I show on the board. You can look at it. If you have a one set.
I never went into the random motion for this super.
Just say internal energy is the sum of the total random kinetic energy and potential energy of all the molecules.
But
in the
then they
system.
say I do that.
Random, the word random is there. Right? Oh, in ideal case, no PE.
No, I read it. It's just okay.
You're right. Yeah. Yeah, correct. This one is point analysis. You see this one? You see from A and C, right? A and C, you see the graph? You see the graph? A and C, A and C, can you see the graph? The volume is constant. Volume is constant, use what? Right? Eh? Benar? P1 over T1 equal to P2 over T2. They're not exact. Doesn't matter. Okay, you see, who has problem in this one? Come. Okay, any other problem? Anybody? You should get negative 80.7. We need to show you.
I use PV over energy.
Same also can.
Number of molecules.
As though I don't care what you get negative 80.7. Can. If you don't get, you must tell me. Just use PV with NRT at one point, then solve the N first, and start inside back into point C. Also can. But this is faster. You don't need to beat around the bush. Which first part? A part 1 how to do? Okay. A part 1 what to do? Just use P1 equal to P2 V2. Just show that P1 V1 at this point equal to P2 V2 at this point. If they are the same, yes, it's isothermal process. Yeah, they are the same. They are the same. Okay, go and check. Okay. Okay, how to determine the change of internal energy? I already showed you in this formula. If you use what you're thinking. Understand?
So, but the one is, well, how can it be linked? Right?
The NR delta T is P delta V, right?
Why?
PV with NRT. Understand? If you don't like to use this one, you can use the method 2 also can. Method 2 also works, but the answer is slightly different. The answer is 128.
Wait, this is like when you see the microscopic, you write mean KD. Microscopic mean KD.
No.
Okay.
Don't say mean KD, mean KD is wrong.
Oh, why?
Not mean KD, microscopic total KD.
Oh.
Roll up, okay, sorry. No. Because it's only one question. Huh? Is your answer the same or not? Not the same, What happened to Q? No. That one is another equation. That one is Q plus W. That one is another equation. This one alone is 3 over 2 and R delta T.
That's also P delta.
Which is also 3 over 2 P delta V. Same. Okay?
Aiyo, isothermal.
Okay?
Read all the way again. Seems like got 3 steps.
Can or not? Can? P delta V also can, and R delta T also can. So N you don't know, right? N you can go to find very easily in one point analysis. Correct or not? You use the point what? Point A. What? Is it point A? You use the point.
How come can you 3 over 2 P delta T?
PV equal to NRT. Okay? Can see.
This is part C.
This is part C. Yes.
Part C.
This is part C.
What is that 3 and 5?
How do I get 385? Delta T 385
Because this process is
By
isothermal.
C to B is isothermal. You have to do it.
Okay.
So
Yeah. This one still okay. Below are not okay. Below need to explain. A lot of students they don't know how to say.
I don't know how to see.
That is the issue now.
Wait, haven't do it.
Huh? You know what you should do in this 1 month? No. Yes.
Actually, going to skip school.
I'm not teaching you bad things. I'm teaching you the practical things.
Also, not clear, but they're going through prelim, they're going through revision of it. Then how?
Yeah. No. You must use your wisdom. I'm not asking you to totally quit everything.
No, I also know, but the thing is what MC 1 month, 1 month of MC.
No. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that you must use your wisdom to think. If you attend the class, you benefit from the lesson. Go. If you go to class, you think you're wasting time. You don't never learn anything. I never waste my time. From morning until afternoon. After I'm so tired already, go home, cannot, no energy to study, and then you don't go. Or go lesser, I should say. Because actually last year I really asked a student to quit. Then he failed basically all the subjects in prelim. Yeah. Then he came here. I asked him to come here. I engaged 5 tutors for him, 1-to-1. 1 month only he go to university.
But she reached.
Yeah, he spent 20,000 that month. Yeah, but he's a desperate case, man. Different. You really need to fight with time. Okay. Now.
Oh yes, because you need a floor center.
Now, see
You do that, you and you
13, 18, 12.
because it is my mom.
Okay. Now, AB. Hey, look at AB. Everybody, look at Look at A to B. I tell you, very simple. When they ask you about first law of thermodynamics, when you see this kind of thing, you don't know, right? You instantly go and do this one. Delta U, Q, W, B, V, T. Do this analysis if you don't know. So, P constant, V increasing. So T must be increasing, right? T increasing, this must be positive, quota negative, this one must be positive, right? But how do you explain that? Yeah, that's what I'm continuing. How do you explain from here? What is going on? You see from here to here, the temperature is rising. What you must do? What you do is only this and this. You cannot do anything else. Because this one, you cannot control, right? How you can control delta U directly? You must pump in the heat, or remove the heat, or you go and compress the system, or let the system expand by itself, right? This is the only thing that you can do, you know. You understand? So how do you say? Temperature increases. So what you must do? First, you must supply the heat. Input of thermal energy by supplying heat to the system, so that the system can expand at the same time, temperature will increase. Because if you never supply any heat, when the object expands, what happens to the temperature? Will decrease, you know, because the internal energy will drop, right? Can you imagine what I'm saying? You never supply any energy, you keep on, the thing keep on expanding. You keep the molecule will slow down, right? So cannot. So this is the answer. Supply the heat. This is a main keyword. You understand? These are the two things that you can do only. Okay, other things you cannot handle. Okay? So the answer is this. Look at the answer, then you understand.
You cannot just draw this diagram, right? It's so much simpler. But you don't understand.
Yeah, cannot. But must explain, must learn to explain stuff.
So the worksheet has this so
Oh, really? It was such a person. How to say? But then I tried going back on our life. Say he got 40, and he said he didn't get the number thing. Then I'm like,
frequency of the angle decrease. That's why you need
Can.
confirm won't pass one lah.
A pressure proportional to what, everybody? Pressure proportional to no. Frequency of collision
Oh, yeah.
with walls. Okay. This is the keyword that you must have. Or the rate of collision also can. Temperature proportional to mean KE. This is the keyword. If you mix them up, no marks. Okay, that's why they purposely highlight the word.
Can you say that the force of each collision is higher because when you do work on a system, right, then the molecules have higher energy, then they have more energy.
Usually we will see. Better. You can explain other similar stuff, but this word must be there, okay? Because the examiner, when they mark, they look at your keywords. Very crucial, right? Okay? No more. Okay. Before you go, I want to tell you one thing. First thing is, all of you have different abilities, different results. At this point of time, in this 1 month time, it's very important for you to fight with the time and be efficient. Correct or not? Efficiency is the very important thing. Listen. Efficiency is very important, and you need to fight with time. But the school takes you a lot of time, right? You don't misunderstand what I'm saying. I'm not asking you to skip school and go home and slack. This time, what I mean is you must use your wisdom to get the time to do effective work. Okay? But I find that nowadays some schools are not every school. Some schools they really waste a lot of time. Not suitable for everybody. So you must find time yourself to study and be efficient. Now, how to be efficient for physics? Okay, listen. How to be efficient for physics? Depends on, then my answer is, depends on where are you now. That's why I need to know your results. Okay, if you're already in the AB region, I tell you, you just go and show the top 5 prelim questions. Don't need to think something else. But if you just pass or even fail, I tell you what you should do first is quickly do a lot of MCQs. Do a lot of MCQs. Okay, I have all the resources you can get from me. Okay, but ultimately, you want to do well, you really need to do prelim papers. You cannot just do MCQ until the end, until the A level, right? Correct? Yeah, you need to do prelim papers. Don't care about topical. You know what I mean topic? Some because I'm still very good in the topic. How? You don't do that. You go and just do directly the full paper. Because while you're doing, you're revising at the same time. You know, if you do my topic, you will forget one. It's very inefficient things to do at this point of time. Okay? Yeah. And at least you must do at least 2 prelim papers a week for one subject. Is it a lot?
Yes.
A lot.
A lot, then one. One. Okay? Yeah, you do not know. I have students. Really, this boy has scored almost full A's. But I tell you, his mind and your mind is the same. It's the same because when I teach him, he says, how? You know, he don't know how to do anything. But he's very good. Every time I go to see him at home tuition, every time I go to see him, he really go and do a lot of papers. 2 hours also not enough. This time I cannot. 2 hours not enough. Increase 3 hours. Because some students put me for 6 hours. Yeah, it's very desperate case. So this one 2 hours. You know what he do in that 2 hours? He just ask questions. What ask what questions? All the prelim questions that he did. He do not. He listen how to do this. Okay, next. He follow up all the sticker. Put beside. Okay, the finish. Okay, first paper gone. Okay, second. Not slow, that kind of ask very fast, that kind of many questions. Every week also like that. Yeah. Then I ask you, is it a lot?
Yes.
He just not do for one subject, he do for every subject also like that. Yeah, so it depends. But how he also don't know how to do it. But he knows some, he don't know some. Okay. So now I give you a chance to teach you a consultation at 9 o'clock Sunday. Okay, but after October I'll be more free. So I can teach some of you back again for those topics that you do not know. Okay, so this month we didn't have an over. Like next month, after you get your result, tell me, then I'll plan for you. Okay, you must let me know. Okay. But of course, this one is cannot be able to one line in a group to study the similar topics. Okay. Okay. So I see you again next week. Please, for those who got the question, you are supposed to do here. Go next door and complete it. Just a few MCQ, right? Structured you can do at home because this one will take me very long time. This one will take.
I must say that the distance traveled increased. Since contraction, but we need to say that the distance traveled increased.
Also can you can say so. But the keyword is the black one.
It's so bad that you know what it is. We go and do
That's what I mean. And then do one. I tell you, you will never go to school. Shock at me. No, don't go to school. Sometimes you must think carefully. carefully, later got.
It's like, it's not, I also don't.
Don't say I say one. I'm gonna.
I also like, my school so far, I don't know, like, it's very hassle for me. But if not for I think you must
No, you must ask yourself, is it
I
fruitful
rather get cold.
to attend the school at this point of time?
actually,
Yeah, then you must go. Yeah, then you must go. Yeah, if it is a fruitful thing, you must go. If waste time, do something that you don't know what you're doing.
Or if they do something,
I don't want to
like
talk
something going on
about
there.
it. I just want it done.
Yeah, you must think, you must think. Go next door. Hey, please go next door. The MCQ. After that, submit to my staff. The faster you give me, the faster I mark. Then the faster you know.
Oh my god! The RP E what? Wow, that's a fast.
RJ, 2012. Answer.
Oh, can I have also? Oh, actually, let me check my drop.
You have all your mark.
Miss Lai, you know what? You know last time you
Your
said
but because that day was 他们2个3个而已。OK 了。我的钱到账，在我的那个上面。
Oh, have. You know why? Because at night I overuse my data plan. So I don't have internet. Wow. I'm like, oh! Hey, give me take lesson. I tomorrow still got exam. Tomorrow still got exam.
Then you give me next week.
Yeah. Daddy.